Today's lunch break from building the off-grid cabin takes me down to the lake, where I'll be making a rocket stove out of a dried spruce log to cook my meal. It's an incredibly beautiful crisp winter day and the lake is completely frozen over, and I've never heard the ice sing as loudly as it does today. Nature's untamed sound of long echoing tones rise and fall, and here I am, right in the middle of it all, soaking in nature's incredible symphony. I start by drilling a hole into the top of the log, then another one from the side to connect with it. Then I light the bottom hole using dry birch bark and pine and keep feeding the fire little by little as it burns. And while I wait for it to catch on, I enjoy every minute and take in every eerie note of nature's breathtaking performance. There's something truly special about cooking and eating outdoors. It just feels better. It tastes better. Maybe it's the simplicity, the stillness, maybe it's the experience itself. Or perhaps it's a contrast to how we live our everyday lives today that just makes it feel so incredibly fresh and the beauty of a slower, perhaps more intentional lifestyle.